Guys, hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial I will show you how to download and install Cursor AI code editor. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser and type Cursor AI editor. Okay, uh, this is the official website, the first link where you can download Cursor AI code editor. Okay, click on that. Once you clicked on that, you can click on download for Windows. Okay, if you're using Windows operating system, so click on that. As you can see, it's downloading here. I already downloaded Cursor AI editor, so I want to cancel it, and now I want to go to the download folder where I have the setup of Cursor AI. As you can see, this is the setup. Okay, so let's install it. Double click on that. Accept the agreement. Just follow the instruction. It's very easy to install. Okay, click next. You should check this one to create a start menu folder. If you don't want, you can just uncheck it. Click next. Create a desktop icon. Okay, click next, install. That's how you can download and install Cursor AI editor on Windows operating system. I hope you will like the video. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to answer your question. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your support, and yeah, that's it. As you can see, the installation has been successful. Okay, so let's launch or finish. If you don't want launch, just click on finish. That's it. Okay, let's check it. If it Cursor AI, as you can see, it has been installed on Windows. That's it, guys. Yeah, see you in the next video.